In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix attachment not showing in Gmail. First, we need to refresh Gmail. Begin by opening the Gmail application or website. Once it's fully loaded, look for the refresh button at the top of the page. This is often represented by a circular arrow icon. Alternatively, you can press the F5 key on your keyboard. Refreshing the page can help resolve minor glitches that may be preventing attachments from displaying. It's a simple yet effective step that often clears up these small issues. After refreshing, take a moment to observe any changes on your screen. You might notice the email loading again, which is a good sign. Next, let's open the email again. If you are still not seeing the attachment, close the email completely. You can do this by clicking on the back arrow or the X at the top of the email window. After that, find the same email in your inbox and click to reopen it. Sometimes attachments may not load properly the first time due to connectivity issues or other factors. Reopening the email gives it a fresh chance to display everything correctly. Once you reopen it, check carefully if the attachment appears now. Now we need to check your internet connection. It's crucial to ensure that your internet is working properly. A slow or unstable connection can prevent Gmail from loading emails and attachments correctly. If you suspect an issue, you can try reloading Gmail by clicking the refresh button again. This helps re-establish the connection to the server. If your internet connection is slow, it may take some time for the attachments to load. Just be patient and give it a moment. Next up, let's use another browser. Sometimes, the issue might be specific to the browser you are currently using. Open Gmail in another web browser like Chrome, Edge, Firefox, or Safari. By switching browsers, you can determine if the problem lies with the original one. After logging into Gmail in the new browser, open the email to see if the attachment is now visible. This step is essential because different browsers can affect how content is displayed. If the attachment shows up, you might need to consider adjusting settings in your original browser. After that, let's clear your browser cache. Start by opening your browser settings. Look for the Privacy and Security option. Within this menu, you should find an option to clear cache and cookies. Clearing these can help resolve issues caused by outdated or corrupted data stored in your browser. Once you clear the cache, close and reopen your browser. This step is important because a cluttered cache can sometimes cause display issues in web applications like Gmail. Now we will disable browser extensions. Some extensions, especially ad blockers, can interfere with how Gmail functions. To do this, click on the extension icon in your browser toolbar. Then tap on Manage Extensions or a similar option. From the list of extensions, find your ad blocker and toggle it off or choose to remove it entirely. After doing this, refresh Gmail. Disabling these extensions is crucial because it allows Gmail to load without any interruptions caused by third-party software. Next, let's try using incognito mode. Open a new incognito or private window in your browser. This mode runs without extensions and does not use cached data. Sign in to Gmail as you normally would and open the email. This method helps eliminate any issues caused by extensions or cached data, providing a clean slate for Gmail to operate. If the attachment appears in incognito mode, it indicates that your regular browser settings or extensions may need to be adjusted. Finally, we'll sign out and sign back into Gmail. Click on your profile picture at the top right corner and select Sign Out. Once you have signed out, wait a moment before signing back in with your credentials. After logging back in, open the email again to check for the attachment. This step is often overlooked but can refresh your session and fix minor glitches. It helps re-establish a connection to your account. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the issue of attachments not showing in Gmail. If the problem persists after trying all these solutions, you may want to consider reaching out to Gmail support for further assistance.